In this lesson, we will look at translators and high-level and low-level languages. So, firstly, there are two low-level languages. We have high-level and low-level languages. Now, there are two low-level languages in total. So we got machine code and assembly language. So firstly, machine code is made of binary numbers. It is made for computers and it is made of ones and zeros, so humans cannot understand it. It's for computers to execute. So it's for CPU to execute. It is not understandable by humans and it's made of binary instructions. Now it is specific to specific type of computers. So if you've got an Intel CPU, it will not work on an AMD CPU. Assembly language is made of short mnemonics. That just means like short memory aided words like abbreviations. Now both machine code and assembly language are machine specific, so they only work on specific type of computers. And for assembly language, you'll need an assembler to translate it to ones and zeros for computer to execute. So the advantage of using low-level languages is that it requires less memory, so you don't need as much RAM, which means it's more efficient. It also can execute very quickly. It is used for device drivers where instruction, the hardware directly is necessary. So that's why it's used for device drivers like in mouses, keyboard, so that they can execute very quickly, so you can press your buttons very quickly and it executes very quickly. The disadvantage, however, is that it is very, very hard to understand, write, and learn compared to high-level languages. High-level languages examples are Python, VB, C++, C#, and Java. Now, these high-level languages are easy to understand, so it is understandable by humans because it's made of English syntax. It also has to be translated to ones and zeros in the end for computers to execute. However, they're not machine specific, so they can work on any type of computer. The good thing with high-level languages is that it's easy to learn, as it's close to English, and it can also be written faster than low-level languages. It is also easy to understand, test, debug, and learn, and it's a portable language, so you can use it on any computer. But the disadvantage, though, is it's not memory efficient, so it takes more RAM space than assembly language, and is also slower than assembly language.